Today I bring to you 3 moves in just 3 minutes which will finally help you achieve a toned and tightened waistline, just what you desire. This is the secret of my waistline, through which over the years I have never put on weight around my belly area, and I do have a tight and toned tummy. Now if you want to look good and stay in shape, all you have to do is these very exercises, just 3 simple moves. I'm going to show you the beginner and advanced level so that you can surely see results. And these exercises are so easy, so effective. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. All you need is 3 minutes. So before we begin the exercises, let's do an easy warm-up. All you have to do is put your hands on your shoulders like this, walk and rotate your arms. Make as big a circle as you can because these are the standing belly fat exercises. Do it as fast as you can. Super easy, super effective. So to begin the first exercise, which is absolutely beginner friendly, you have to spread your legs wide apart, wider than your shoulders. Lift your hands up, no droopy elbows, keep it straight. Turn to the side without moving any other limb, just the upper body. And come back. You're going to feel a stretch around all this area. That's the target area. And you have to breathe in, breathe out, and turn as much as you can. That's how easy and effective this is going to be. Let's do it together. Try not to move your legs. Just the upper body. Keep breathing out when you go sideways. And breathe in. The more you twist, the more effect you will see. Now let me show you the advanced level of the twist. You have to do this. Very easy and very effective, but you have to do it a bit faster. Let's do it together. This is a very effective exercise to finally get rid of the side belly hanging fat. All you have to do is spread your legs a little wider than your arm distance. Take your hand up like this. Keep looking straight. Don't bend backwards or don't bend too much forwards. Keep your body straight. And like this. So you have to inhale. Your hand should be touching your ears. Go down, exhale. Go as low as you can and back. This is super easy, super effective. No more excuses. Let's do it together. Now let's show you the advanced level. Now for the advanced level, you have to stay in the same position, but now you have to try and touch your toes. You have to do toe touches sideways and try and do it as fast as you can. Let's do it together. For the next standing belly exercise, a super easy move. You have to do high knees. If you think you can do this, just wait for the advanced level. Let me first show you the beginner level and let's do it together. Now let's show you the advanced level. Now we're on to the advanced level high knees, which we have to jump and do it. Let's do it together. Enjoyed today's exercises. The 3 moves which are surely going to help you. 3 moves, 3 minutes is all you need. Pick your level, beginner or advanced. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.